Kajingiki jongginong yalam ka KSU Employment Monitoring Cell bandawan ki bor peniat jongka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science banwan rabiang ya kajaka banto ek eksamen nak benta ki post ki balat umyam. Kalau urlong hadin bagi bor jongan ni kajaka pulie ki lahapan pendam hadin kajing syakang tala ka office trekam jong udin jongan ni ke skol ba ka pelajar ha kajan miet jongka ar punyo terik una opera. Kinong yalam ka KSU Employment Monitoring Cell Hapo kejingalam Ruben Inajar kumu chairman lembat uban jok maring chairman ke Employment Monitoring Cell ke North Casils District. Lembat kiwe kinong yalam ke lelet cekane kejaka pulie jongane ke college bandawan na udin. Jongane kejaka pulie bantuklar banwan rabiang ya kejaka thua eksamen ha umyam. Hadin belapun kendria syagu hati. Naga benta bantu ki eksamen jong ke post lower division but upper division clerk but field come laboratory assistant. Nari namar bu udin shim lala bana juba BA kit khot kaseng kilebe na sundan yu ngene kejaka bat khang talai ke office jong u da ke badawaru bade ban pedurlong ke jing dawa jong kaseng ban pensuk ki samla tap kam ban yo ban tho ek eksamen ha ke jelam megalaya halor ke ni ke jing syakang ke office udin ya ubelatip kerteng kemudi takuria na kalian ki bor jong ke ni kejaka pulia kileshe mekarai ban war abyang ya kejaka tho eksamen ho umyam bala kerpadu ki samla tap kam kiba Hakani kejaka. Bat kibayo admit card na kabenta bantu eksamen ha Assam Downtown University Guwahati. Bat kibukwa ban pen kelai kejaka tho eksamen kidai ban pentip syudin lengba ke email deancpgs@gmail.com. Bat katarik ke bakado ban pediang ki email jongki kan long haswa ka saush teng janmiet joka laipo trek uno opera arajar pusau. Bat bandra ya ki ID card, Aadhaar, bat Epic card. Habagran ni ginong to okubor uban job maring weto bagaseng kambansi banaki alor ke jingpin kan ria ka jaka to eksamen jogi post balapan mana bat kania kalong namar bagi sabna tap kam gi banari lom kasi jantia kin mat jingi ashkade e bane to agane ke eksamen jagu bahati bala subaru bagane ke jingpin kan ria ka jaka to eksamen kala ban long namar ban ailat ki samla ki banabar ke jela ban yo sup gi kam Uli itu bahadian ke jingpin ibor di kinong alam gaseng kibor jogan ni ka jaka pule kila pendam kular lengba ke siti bala pak syakaseng banwan rabiang ya kejaka to eksamen ho umyam bala kentu ki samla tap kam ki bene kun nek eksamen baginwan chakmat bene kun nang bai kini ki post balat kumala penbena on yo hi dagi try jela.
That is not a problem. So just because of them
I cannot accommodate here.
Just because of them our classes will stay good.
No, not like that.
We will stay good. They for their benefit, for benefit of some other people will go and write the exam in Assam. Whereas our people will have to suffer. They cannot come here. If they want to work here, they have to write the examination here. Why should we go to Guwahati? You don't understand one thing. You don't understand the same thing.
I understand.
Then
I am doing everything for the goodness of the people of
what good
Meghalaya.
thing you have done? Notification has already been released that centers, 6 centers has been designated. This should be one center. With whose permission did you change the center to Guwahati?
Authority's permission. I do not have authority. The vice censor.
Why was the
office of the
notification?
register.
Why was the notification designated for Shillong? Huh? The notification was in Umyam or not?
decision.
The notification given was in Umyam or not? Notification that was given was in Umyam or not?
It is vacancy for
It was
different
Umyam or not?
positions. Yeah, vacancy.
But the center was in Umyam or not?
Center they did not say where.
When
it was.
we applied, when candidates applied for the post, they were asked to choose a center. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Right or wrong? And what was there in the center?
All these center
Shillong,
centers
Umyam.
came
It
because
was
of
Umyam. Umyam was there, right?
Manipur situation.
I don't understand about Manipur. This is me correct. Why will I candidates go and write the exam to work here? Why will I have to write the examination in Guwahati? See,
Large
there's
number
no
of
point
candidates.
there's no point of talking large number of candidates. How many candidates are we talking about? 5,000 candidates. For the SC has been conducting exams for 20,000, 30,000. Well, how can we accommodate? I understand that this cannot fit all 5,000 candidates, but there are other universities also as well. There are other institutes as well. You can ask. Did you ask?
Yes, I went to
Only
UCC
three
and others.
only three
If
colleges.
you did not get one, you go and
Only
ask
two.
two. Did you ask the help from the state government?
Christ College, UC, then,
And then-
I went to that Borapani campus.
And then
all together
only,
did not
only
accommodate.
3. Only in Ribhoi.
So
Why not in
What
Ilyas
my
Kassi also?
what my request is, you just give me tomorrow's
No.
time. Tomorrow's
Only-
time.
We met you on-
Let me discuss.
when will we
again.
meet you?
See,
2 days back.
I already conveyed.
Then now
your-
also, then you ask time
I
again.
already I conveyed your message to our authority.
So within that time, what did you do? What did you come up with? Why do you have to come here and agitate? What did you do all this time? Nagaliang jung ka Khasi Student Union, North Khasil District Unit, lemba jong ka Employment and Monitoring Cell. Niwan biang mentah ke step, ang ni hapo kampus jong ka CPGS ang ni hapo miam. Kadau golong ba hadin bengilak pelong ya gejingki, hai kini ki airlines ni, ki hadin gejingki jung ila yo so uba bah. Tani kita gejing yaki gejingi, gejing dawa gejingi, ni ila yo so jong jingjop. Kadau gejingki di golong ba ha kini ki sngi ki baladat mi ya ka jing isu ya ki admit kat lumba jong kene ka CPGS AS hamne hapo umiam ya ki samla ki ban pengkre bentok ya kene exam na ka benta ke post LD LDC UDC bat FCLA syate syapo Guwahati haga jing syahi na do benungkom ki la don ka jing pengkre ban pelong hangne Andrei himtip na kino kidau kila penkriya no kila shift no syate syapo Guwahati naglang di kesang hadin ka jing yaki kejungi ni lala ban penkungu ya uniudin ban nilaru ban penkungu ya ki bor ki bade nang tinapo impal ki bapit nang tay bat kila kungu bat la pular ban pelong ya kene ka recruitment nam ta ban thung ni ki kam nam ta ki writing examination jong ni ki post LDC UDC bat FCLA ban pelong hi hapo ni po CPGS umiam ya baidai bat kene ka exam kanlong ha kalai bat sautrik jong snam arjar jong bena Januari snam arjar arsan tinga kenturu ya ki samla ki bathap ya kene kam bakin sim ya kene gejing pentip bat kumjuru ya gejing pentip ka bana galiang jong kene ka jaka pulia nang ne nan po CPGS ki la pentip lengba baro ki local news channel kabolong ki prints and media banagaliang jong ni ka college kala pentip siki but personally ru nagaliang jong ka college kala sim ban pentip ya ki samla ki candidate ki bathap ya ni ka post ba ka exam kan long hang ni